What's up, you guys? Hey, welcome back to my channel. And today we're back with another fashion finesse. I'm going to show you how to transform a men's shirt into a cute two-piece outfit perfect for the summer. You know what? Let's just jump right into the video. For this transformation, I'm using this long sleeve button-up men's shirt. The items you would need are, of course, your shirt, a pair of pants, elastic, something to mark with, pins, and scissors. The first thing I did was cut off the sleeves, and you're just gonna put them to the side. Okay, I'm using my chart to mark where I'm gonna make my cuts. Just try this on. Make sure you have enough fabric for your pants and your shirt. That's how you're gonna know where to cut. Now you have two pieces. After you cut, just put the other piece to the side, and I'm just gonna cut the sides open. So unbutton and remove the buttons and just cut the sides open. So now you have three different pieces. I took my biggest piece and just folded it in half. Now I'm taking my pants and just tracing out the pattern. And you're gonna do the same thing with the other two pieces. Just put them together and trace out the pattern. When you're tracing, remember you have to kind of flip it, trace the front and also trace the back because it's two different measurements. And then you're just gonna sew that down, and now you have these, something like this. And you're gonna just line the pieces up together, pin the side, and you're just gonna sew all that down. You should have something like this. Now to add the elastic, the first thing I do is just lay the elastic over the fabric just to make sure it's gonna fit. Then I start pinning, and you're gonna pin it all the way around. And I also did a roll hem at the bottom just to give it a clean finished look. You should have something like that. Now onto the shirt, I'm basically just gonna cut into a square. So I cut the side piece in the top. Now you have something like this. So just unbutton it, and we're just gonna sew the sides together. So the pieces that I cut, I'm just gonna try to sew it together so I can have one long piece. So you should have something like this. And I'm just gonna do a rolled hem around the top just to give it a clean finished look. And you're gonna do this all the way around. Now for the sleeve, they were too long, so I just cut out a piece off. Just try this on and measure how long you want it. And I'm basically pinning the whole thing, so pinning all the way around, making a tunnel because I'm gonna put elastic in it. So what you want to do is pin one side of your elastic down, take another one with the safety pin, and you're gonna put it through the tunnel all the way around. Once you get done with that, take the two pieces, you're gonna put them together, and you're just gonna sew that down. Now your top should look like this. You could sew the sleeves together, or you could just leave it like that. I didn't sew mine together, just so they could be removable. So before, and this is how it turned out. Y'all, I'm in the wilderness and everything, but yeah. Okay, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you recreate one of my finesse, please tag me so I can share it. And I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to be centric, live centric, and stay centric. I'm out. Peace.